but this is probably the more important ones. Okay, so liver 1, okay, is gonna be on the lateral corner of this nail. So remember, this is spleen 1, this is liver 1, okay, and okay, next point is gonna be liver 2. So 0.5 cm from this web margin, just right over here, yeah. So about right here. Liver 3 is just across this, the kind of ridge line of the knuckles, and we fall into this depression right here. This is Tai Chong. Okay, liver 3. So right here. Okay. And then liver 4. So anterior to the medial malleolus in this depression, just medial to the tibialis anterior tendon. So if you dorsiflex the foot right here, you see how this tendon really stands out. It's really hard, and you kind of see this pocket up here. This is where liver 4 is going to be. Okay, you can relax that right there. So liver 4 is going to be right here, yeah. And so right about here. Okay. These are all pretty important points. Next we're going to get to the liver 5. Okay, so distance between the medial malleolus and then the popliteal crease of the knee is going to be 15. So we divide this into thirds. Okay. And so about here, yeah. So again, just to keep things simple, we're going to follow the Deadman text, yeah. Okay, so we're going to just stay posterior to the tibia right here. Okay, so sorry, I'm just going to mark that. So I feel like a depression right here. So spleen 6 should be about here, okay, a little bit lower. And this is going to be her liver 5. Okay. I want to try to stay just behind the tibia here. Okay. I'm not gonna require you to know like 6, 7, 8. Okay, but just for your information, like 6 is 2 cm up from liver 5. Okay. And and 7 is 1 cm behind spleen 9. So if I wanted to find 7, this is spleen 9, just 1 cm back, and this would be her liver 7. Okay, liver 8 is important. We can bend the knee slightly, and okay, you can start from kidney 10. So kidney 10 is more on the back side of the knee, and if you remember, it's on the medial side of that popliteal crease between semitendinosus, semimembranosus. I'm just going to slide from kidney 10 anteriorly. I'm trying to roll over the, this right here is the semitendinosus, semimembranosus, okay, this whole bunch of tendons right here. And I'm just trying to slide over to the other side of that into a depression right here. Okay. And this will be her liver 8. Usually this point is kind of needled. Again, you can either needle it perpendicularly or needle it with the flow of the channel. Okay. So 9 was the point that's about 4 cm up from liver 8, you know. And 10, 11, 12, okay, just for your information, 10 is, we find the stomach 30 at the upper border of the pubic symphysis, 2 cm lateral. Let's see, 10 was 3 cm down, 11 was 2 cm down from stomach 30, and then 12 was the one that is really close to the inguinal. From Ren 2, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Ren 2, okay, 2.5 cm lateral, 1 cm down. So in this inguinal area right here. Okay. Liver 13 and 14 are the important points that I would like you to know. So liver 13 is Zongmen, or the completion gate. This is the front move point of the spleen. Okay. Let's see, I'll locate it on this side. Okay, so liver 13 is below the free end of the 11th floating rib. 11th floating rib is closest to the mid-axillary line. So you kind of feel for the lower border of the rib cage, especially near the mid-axillary line, and try to feel for the free end of this rib here. Okay. So I'm feeling, sorry, I kind of, is it tender around here? Yeah, okay, I'm starting to get to the end of the rib right there. Okay. And that is where I'm gonna locate her liver 13. Okay, and then liver 14 is the front move point of the liver. Okay, and that's gonna be in the 6th intercostal space. So the way that I do it is I feel for the sternum here, and I feel for the lower edge of the rib cage here. Kind of make a diagonal line and find the midpoint. I go in. This is her approximate 7th intercostal space. So 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. You know, this is where I would find her gallbladder 24. To find gallbladder, to find her liver 14, I go up into the next intercostal space, and I try to stay 4 cm lateral below the nipple line. You know, for women, you can use, especially since we're closer to the abdomen, you can use the lateral border of the rectus abdominis muscle to find where your 4 cm lateral line is. You know? So as long as we're kind of in line with those in this sorry, when I place the sticker, I think yeah, okay, as long as we're in that intercostal space. Okay, 4 cm lateral. This is her liver 14. Okay, so that's the liver channel. Okay, sorry, let me get one of the